You know, I've invited myself many times. You just never accepted my invite.
No. The Jeff Richards Show.
Oh. It's my show, but I'm never there. It's my
category of metaphysics and phenomenology, you know. Mind, matter, substance, and attribute. So I discuss a lot of that stuff because there is a phenomenon that exists.
I'm mixing the cocoa butter, I'm mixing the shea nut butter, and then it's a concoction, but it leaves my skin fresh and beautiful.
Zoom preferences. The mic speaker.
Why would you switch from a laptop to an iPad that's not charged?
But no one cuts my hairs anymore.
Have you?
Once in a while, but I like to sit on the edge of the bed and talk to them still, even though
Extrasensory perception.
Right. The pizza place?
Yeah, a long time ago, 96 maybe?
I told him Jeff's not going to be here today, and you're supposed to take it. Here I go.
No.
I got into composing and arranging and
You ain't a bitch.
How did you research to play that role?
It's my show, but I'm never there.
killing it for you, boy.